Discuss about application software. Application software. These are set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of job like beautifying the document. The application software is nothing but a set of programs. Programs means instructions developed by programmers. Suppose it will do specific jobs like beautifying a document. Document means MS Word. We can change our text style here. We can change our text color. Isn't it, children? Yes. And we can do calculation. Using application software, we can do calculations. Okay. Arranging data in an organized manner. Arranging data in an organized manner. Making airline tickets. Isn't it, children? Okay. And railway reservations. Railway reservations. The application software is divided into two categories. The application software is divided into two categories. General purpose application software package and special purpose application software. See, these software can be performed by tasks to fulfill the general needs of user. General purpose applications is used for fulfill the general user. For example, some examples of our general purpose softwares here. Word processing software. Word processing software is, we are MS Word. In the Word file we are sending a PDF. No? Yes. The word processor helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and effectively. See here, using Word document we can create a professional document. We can create a professional document. Isn't it, children? Next, it provides many features to change the appearance of text in the desired manner. See, using this document we can change our text. We can change our text color. We can change our text styles. Oh, style. Isn't it, children? Yes. Next, you can easily add. Using document we can easily delete our text. We can delete our file. We can rearrange our file. Okay, we can edit our files. We can rename our file. Isn't it? Yes. Now example of word processors here. General purpose application software. Example of general purpose application software: MS Word, WordPad, OpenOffice. Isn't it? Okay. General purpose application software. Here electronic spreadsheet also one example of general purpose application software. Electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps us to perform calculations. See, using electronic spreadsheet we can do calculations. Okay. In almost for example in school we can use this electronic spreadsheet. Okay. How many students we have? Which class they are. These all data we can store in the electronic spreadsheet. See, some of its applications area are, see, in the financial accounting, cost accounting, interest calculate. That time also in the financial accounting, these all are the areas of the electronic spreadsheet. Next, example, some examples of electronic spreadsheets. Okay, see here, Microsoft Excel. In the Excel form, we can save all the students' data, isn't it? Lotus 1, 2, 3, OpenOffice, etc. Next, database management system. Database management system. DBMS. The full form of DBMS is database management system. Each one of us, each one of our using unknowingly, we are using the database management system. How? See here. For example, managing telephone directions. Yes, directories, managing telephone directories and payroll information. Payroll is nothing but all the employees information, pay scale, how much salary they are getting. These all payroll information we are getting. Isn't it? How? DBMS, using DBMS software. See, database software helps us to arrange and store the large amount of information in an organized manner. Database software. In the database software, we can store all the information. Okay, we can store large amount of information. Isn't it? You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, research, print, Okay, using database we can store, we can find, we can update and we can print our information easily. See examples of our database here: Microsoft Access, OpenOffice, etc. See, presentation software. It is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. See, what is this? Presentation. How I am explaining using presentation slides. These all are called slides. These all are called slides. See, this presentation I am using for explaining a lesson. See, this software helps you to create and display slides on the computer or a projector for business and educational purpose. Okay, this software is used for educational purpose as well as business purpose also. We can do? Yes, we can share our ideas. Okay, using slides, using this PPT presentation. See, it tells you create slide charts, animations and video clips. Using PPT presentation, using PowerPoint presentation, we can create a charts, okay, animations, videos as well as slides also. See examples of you can see here examples: Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Impress, Adobe Flash. See, desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional document. If you want to design a professional document using text and graphic, which software will you use? Yes, we will use desktop publishing software. For example of desktop publishing software, see here. Printed forms. Yeah, printed forms. In the school, they will, when you are taking admission, they will give one printed form. Yes. Now, advertisement, any advertisements here, Bormita advertisement. See here, books, our books, brochures, see brochures or posters, magazines, poster. Magazine is nothing but our brain feed, is a magazine, isn't it children? Yes. Some examples of our desktop publishing, see here, Corel Draw, Adobe Designer, etc. Next, graphic software. It is used to create images such as charts. Graphic software is used to create images such as charts, alphabet charts. Okay, and it is used for graphics, photos, photographies. Okay, then we can use it for a logos, our CMR logo. How we will do? Graphic software. And cartoons also we can create using graphic software. See here some examples of graphic software here: MS Paint, Tux Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD. Isn't it children? Yes. Next, multimedia software. Multimedia software, it is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics and text with the high degree of interaction. See, using multimedia software, we can create videos, animations, sound and graphics. Okay, for examples of multimedia software here: game software, Windows Multimedia Player, Windows Movie Maker. Games, isn't it? Children, games, while playing game, you will get one sound, graphics, all animation, videos. Isn't it children? Yes. How they will do? Yes, multimedia software, using multimedia software. See, next, these software which are, see now we will see about special purpose application software. Special purpose application software. These software which are designed to meet the specific need of any user, called specific purpose application software. This software is used for only special use, specific use only we will use this. Okay, for example, Tally. See, some of the customized software are reservation system. Some of the special purpose application softwares are here: reservation, okay, ticket booking, bill statements, Isn't it children? Deduction of salary, payroll system. These all are special purpose application software. See, after the now we completed our lesson. Once we will recap our lesson. See, the software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help user to work on the computer. Software is nothing but a collection of program or set of programs. Programs is nothing but set of instructions. Isn't it, children? No. The software is two types. The software is divided into two types. One is system software and second one is application software. System software is collection of programs. System software is collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. System software is a collection of program and it controls all the working internal and all the operations of the computer system. Isn't it, children? Next, an operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, utility program performs specific tasks related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs. Utility program is a part of a system software. It will do specific job. What it will do? Yes, it will manage all the computer devices and its programs. Now, a language processor plays a vital role in the translating the programming language into machine language. Language processor is also one part of system software. System software. What it will do? Yes, it will translate the language processor, translate the programming language into machine language. Now, application software are set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of job. Application software is a set of programs developed by programmers. Okay, we completed our lesson. See you in the next class. Bye.